to my channel. Today I am so excited because this is the last dress from my spring summer collection. I designed 6 dresses that had this beautiful cohesive theme of everything I want to feel and experience this summer. And if you've not watched the previous 6 videos, make sure to click the link in the description box to check out all the videos in the playlist. And today's dress, let me just say, I saved my best for last because I love how this dress looks. It just gives a lot of feminine energy with the plunging neckline at the front, the deep neckline at the back. I love that it is sleeveless. I love that it is a midi length. It is not that weird type of midi. It is more like a T length. I love it so much. And the gathers at the sides, yeah, I love it so much. Now, I was a little bit unsure about this dress because I didn't think the fabric would be enough given everything I had imagined in my head, the patterns, the design, and the flow, but it turned out amazing. Actually, every pattern piece fit, and I cut out the patterns myself. I drafted the patterns on brown papers, modified the pattern, and then cut out every single pattern on my fabric. Now I have everything right here, so let's get sewing. Okay, so I'm going to start by joining the front and making it whole. I have marked my notches and I'm just going to be matching all those together and making sure that everything fits exactly where it is supposed to. The starting points, the end points, and all that, making sure that everything matches up correctly. Okay, I have my pieces joined. I have a semi-full piece, so my back is attached to my front. This is how we're looking, and I also did that for the lining. And now it's time to join up the shell and the lining at the neckline, at the armhole, and at the back as well, so that I can clean up the armholes or the sleeve area and both the necklines, the back and the front. So I'm just going to pin that in place and I can get started. I am so excited to see how this looks. Yeah, from here I will have an idea of how it's looking, but not a really clear one, because at the end of the day, the star will be the gathers at the side. The star will be the gathers at the sides, so unless I have those in, then I won't see exactly what I'm working with, and that is the last stage for me. For now, after I attach the necklines, I am going to do the zipper so that I can see whether it fits at the waist and at the bust, because those areas need to be well fitted. Can you see how beautiful that finish is? Yeah, this is one armhole, this is the front neckline, the other armhole, one side of the back and the other side of the back. And I thought, okay, after this stage I'm going to be treating this as one fabric, that is the lining and the shell. When I attach the zipper, I'm going to attach everything together. When I attach the gathered pieces, I'm going to treat it as one fabric. So the most sane thing to do right now is to attach the shoulders. As you can see, these are my shoulder pieces, so I'm going to match the appropriate, or rather the matching shoulders like that, and I'm going to be sewing them together. So how I'm going to be sewing them together, because I want this to be very much concealed, I'm going to be matching them up right sides touching like that, but instead I'm going to be doing this from the inside. So I am going to tuck one side to the other, right sides facing on the wrong side. I don't know if you understood that, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So one side will be right sides out, and I'm going to tuck that into the other side like that. That means everything will be right sides touching. Make sure everything matches up like that. Pin that, and I'm going to be sewing right here. The dress fits so well. Well, I'm not going to show you the bottom part because I do not have the sides, but it fits amazing. And now it's gathering time. I hate this part so much, but it's unavoidable. So here we are. I have two pieces for the main fabric and two pieces for the lining, and my side seam is on fold because I do not want to do a lot of sewing. And this is how much I have spread my pieces, not that much, but I'm hoping I will have enough volume at the sides. So let's get working. That was so intense, but I am done with both sides and I am so excited to try this on. This is how the gathers are looking. I know you cannot see that clearly, but yeah, the gathers are looking really cute. This is the front, this is the back. I am so excited. So let me hem this and I can show you the final look.
got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's your price of your weight? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money, but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now.